Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a pack saw, and here it is. Fits into a little sleeve or whatever. Basically you just need three boards, roughly the same. I found these in a dumpster, of course. What I did is I cut a slot in them on the bottom, drilled a hole, bought a replaceable saw blade, buck saw blade for $3.50. You're basically going to slide it in here. You need a few stove bolts, basically just little 1/8" stove bolts to hold your saw in. You can stain this or paint it or whatever you want to do, camouflage it, whatever you'd like to do. I just basically took mine and just kept it natural for now until I figure out, what I'm going to do. But, this is nice to pack. $3.50. You got yourself a buck saw that's about $20 worth. So that puts that together. I hollowed these out a little bit so this would fit in here. I always lay it so it's flat so the board fits in here a little bit better. Piece of string. Put your piece of string on here. This is going to be your tightening mechanism. You buy these online and they come with tension bars or whatever, but that's just weight. Why have the weight? And basically it's all you're going to do is twist this up, and what this is going to do is put the tension on your saw blade and tighten your saw blade up. So that's all I'm doing is just spinning this piece of dowel to put tension on my blade. Pretty simple project, takes you about 20 minutes and you got yourself about a $20 buck saw. Take out camping or whatever you'd like to do. Alright, so I'm going to tighten this up. You want to tighten it up, pretty decent, and you may tighten it a little bit more once you get going and put a few cuts in, but there it is, basically all put together, ready to go. I'll put a little bit more tension on it, and you can tighten this up, as tight as you want. And there we go. You fit the dowel against this board, and basically you can put some duct tape on here or electrical tape so it's a little nicer on the hand. As you can see, there you go. We're just cutting a 2x4 now, but it works really well. You can see. So there you go, buck saw. Basically about a $20. If you buy these online, look them up on Amazon. I think they're about 20 bucks, and make it for $3.50. Tractor Supply or Lowe's or Home Depot, one of those places. And basically you had a buck saw. You take it all back apart, put it into a little sleeve or just a couple of zip ties on it, put it in your pack. Anyway, from the Northern Wanderer, peace out.